In many manufacturing sectors, efficiency and cost reduction hinge on innovation. Yet, the adoption of cutting-edge technologies has been slow in some areas, particularly in the design of hollow metal door frames. Traditionally, this process relied on labor-intensive 2D templates manually adjusted for each order, a time-consuming method requiring expert designers for customization. Enter the Smart Doorframe Designer, a breakthrough that revolutionizes the industry by allowing even those without technical expertise to quickly design custom frames, slashing design time from hours to seconds, and manually reducing production and design errors. This shift from a manual, expert-driven process to an automated, user-friendly system not only accelerates design, but also diminishes the likelihood of mistakes, ensuring accurate dimensions and specifications. The technological leap offers more than just speed and accuracy. It enables manufacturers to reallocate skilled designers to more complex projects, fostering innovation and improving product quality. The Smart Doorframe Designer is a transformative tool that democratizes design, streamlining production, and boosts overall efficiency, making it a critical asset for manufacturers aiming to remain competitive in a technologically driven landscape. For insights into optimizing your design process with Smart Doorframe Designer, visit smartdoorframedesigner.com.